show you a little trick that I learned. I want to have a nice clean line here. I'll show you in a minute the whole project, but I want to have a nice clean line, so I've taped it off. But you know how everyone talks about how it's hard to get a nice clean line when you tape off. Well, I am going to stencil it. Yeah, it's not a stencil, but I am going to use the same technique doing this line here, making it very, very straight, using the tape and having no bleed through. Well, that's if you stencil right. See how I do my stenciling is I do a pouncing. I'm not going to get any brush strokes that way either. And I'm going to get a nice clean line because there's no opportunity for it to seep underneath the tape because I'm pouncing it. It'll take me a couple coats, and I'll have to do some fancy work over here in the corner because it'll be a little bit more difficult probably to get, well, I guess not, look at that, to get in there and stencil that part. And always remember too that you can always use a damp cloth and wipe off the little parts that you missed or that you overextended your stenciling. It'll take me a couple coats, but let me show you what it looks like right now. Nice, clean, crisp line. This is the project that I'm working on. It's my little cat bed that I did for my workshops a while ago. So there you have it. That's how I get nice, crisp lines when I tape off. Here it is finished. I put my second coat on. Nice, crisp lines for inside the cabinet. And don't forget to do the details. Do the trim work as well. Don't leave that. As you can see, I did blending here, so I also did blending up on the edges. Make sure you think of the little things to finish off your piece.